it's Molly from the Feedfeed, and today we are in the test kitchen with our friends at Tuttoroso Tomatoes, and we're gonna be making a quick and easy artichoke pasta sauce. So this sauce is loaded with carrots, celery, and it leans on some pantry staples like artichoke hearts, green olives, red pepper flakes. So the resulting sauce, it's a little bit spicy, it's a little sweet, it's briny, it hits all the right flavor notes, and it can be on the table in less than an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly start prepping our veggies and start with this yellow onion. So I have our onion, carrot, celery, and garlic prepped here. I'm going to heat a little bit of olive oil in this pan over medium heat, and I'm gonna add all of this and let it saute for about 7 to 10 minutes. I don't want it to take on too much color, I just want it to soften. And I'm just gonna season it with salt, black pepper, and a healthy pinch of red pepper flakes. So while our veggies cook, I'm going to quickly chop up our artichoke hearts and our green olives. So I usually just like to quarter these and then just roughly chop them. All right, so we're gonna go in with our olives and artichokes, and we're just gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes more. So our artichokes and olives have been cooking for a little bit in here, so I'm just gonna deglaze the pan with a little bit of dry white wine. And we'll just cook this for about 2 minutes just to get some of the alcohol off and have it evaporate. It'll reduce by about half. So this sauce is only gonna cook for about 30 minutes, so using a quality tomato like these Tuttoroso tomatoes is super important. We're not cooking it all day, so the quality of the tomatoes is really what is going to build the flavor of our sauce. So we're using 2 styles of tomatoes here. We're gonna use these nice crushed tomatoes to give body to our sauce, and these Tuscan herb Petite Diced tomatoes to give our sauce a little bit of texture. So our sauce is looking great. I think we're ready to plate this up. So I'm just topping some spaghetti with this sauce, but you could also use zucchini noodles. You could put it over polenta. I also like to poach eggs in it for breakfast. It's super versatile. Okay, we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of parm. And just a little more red pepper. Okay, let's try it. It's so good. All those flavors, the sweetness of the tomatoes. I can tell they're super fresh. The artichokes, the olives are giving like a briny dimension that's so tasty. And then the carrots and celery are just rounding everything out. So you can get the full recipe for this on thefeedfeed.com, and thank you so much to our friends at Tuttoroso Tomatoes. I'm about to house this entire bowl of pasta. We'll see you guys soon.